In just 7 days, the world of AI has exploded with new features and upgrades. It's like every major player, Google, Duolingo, Lyft, and more, decided to drop something big all at once. From tools that turn text into videos to smarter ways to learn languages, the pace is wild. But behind every flashy release lies a purpose, making machines not just more powerful, but more helpful, human-friendly, and widely creative. Whether you are an artist, coder, commuter, or lifelong learner, there is a breakthrough with your name on it. Let's ride through this week's most jaw-dropping AI upgrades. Google AI. Google's flagship AI suite, multimodal, deeply integrated, and increasingly omnipresent in the apps you use every day. Gemini now lives on iPads with a sleek full-screen chat mode, voice chat capability, and support for 45 plus languages, essentially putting a fluent AI assistant in your hands wherever you are. Gemini Live's real-time voice conversations are now smooth and human-like, making it feel less like using a bot and more like chatting with a helpful friend who knows everything. Deep Research automatically generates structured, citation-ready reports on complex topics, perfect for students and professionals alike. You can now upload class notes, PDF, and web clippings, and Gemini will distill them into a clean, accurate study guide in seconds. It's natively plugged into Gmail, Calendar, Drive, and Docs, so it understands your word when answering. It's smart, multimodal, and more intuitive than ever. Duolingo. The cheeky green owl has evolved into a conversational linguistic powered by AI. New video call-like interactions with AI characters simulate real-world dialogue, giving you the feel of a human tutor without settling fuss. More niche, regional, and underrepresented languages are now supported, thanks to AI-generated course material. Duolingo's new AI-powered premium tower is not just cosmetic. It personalizes lessons, adapts in real time, and is pulling in record-breaking subscriptions. Planning a trip to Italy. You can now practice ordering food or checking in at a airport with AI personas who speak and respond in real time. It's language learning that feels like living the language, not just memorizing it. Midjourney. The visual daydream machine. Text goes in, gallery where the artwork spills out. The rendering is now faster, cleaner, and closer to photorealistic than ever before. Now it has got Omni reference. Drop in your own photo to guide content or style, meaning custom mockups, personalized avatars, or brand-specific assets are just a prompt away. Need a futuristic Tokyo scene with your product in it? Midjourney delivers 5 options in under a minute. It responds to your creative nudges, whether you want it surreal, cinematic, or drenched in cyberpunk neon. Claude, the sober, articulate, less hallucinating sibling in the chatbot family. It has just dropped Claude 3.5 Sonnet, dramatically faster and significantly better at summarizing long, technical content, great for law, finance, research, and other wonky documents. It has enhanced tool use, now better at reasoning through spreadsheets, interpreting data, and navigating dense research papers. Drop a legal contract or an academic paper into Claude, and you'll get a human-level summary with key risks, clauses, and insights, without skimming 100 pages yourself. Kling AI. Video generation for creators powered by your words. It has dropped version 2.0 with multi-element editing. You can now control scene composition, object placement, character actions, and timeline sequencing, like directing a Pixar short using only text. Type in a fox in a suit skateboarding on Mars at sunset. Kling returns a fully animated video clip in seconds, then took the lighting, background, or camera angle without starting over. It's a dream come true for content creators. NotebookLM. It is your personalized research assistant trained on your documents. It is going to drop standalone mobile app in iOS and Android versions with offline support, so you can carry your AI researcher in your pocket. Gemini Flash integration turbocharges answer speed with grounding results strictly in your source material. Audio summaries will now read back your documents in over 50 languages. A PhD student uploads 10 dense academic papers. NotebookLM breaks them into key insights and even drafts an annotated bibliography. You ask it questions, it answers using your material only. Higgsfield, Midjourney meets Spielberg, turns ideas into cinematic video clips with movement, emotion, and flair. Its latest update is Camera Motion Presence, 40 plus built-in styles, dolly zooms, wimp pans, handheld shakiness that brings your ideas to life like a real film set. Face Insertion, upload a selfie and become the protagonist of your AI-generated movie scene. An indie filmmaker storyboards a dream sequence in minutes, complete with expressive lighting and actor stand-ins. You are no longer limited by your budget, just your imagination. Lyft. Beyond ride-hailing, Lyft is now an AI-driven logistics brain for drivers and dispatch. Its latest update is Earnings Assistant and Predictive Routing. It analyzes real-time data to recommend when and where drivers should operate for maximum profit. It anticipates traffic, even exist, and flight arrivals to direct drivers to hotspots before they surge. A driver gets notified to hit the convention center in 30 minutes. AI predicts an event's ending and primes the driver for a surge. Lyft is no longer just a platform, it's a co-pilot. Vercept. Turn your Mac into a mind reader, speak, and it acts. Its latest update is VY App Official Launch and Contextual Understanding. Now the app supports most major Mac apps, Excel, Safari, Pages, you name it. VY reads your screen and interprets your command in context. No plugins needed. Say summarize the open email thread and draft a reply. VY does it, then checks in for approval. Need a chart in Excel? Just ask. Its accessibility meets productivity in its most elegant form. So there we have it. 9 AI titans, freshly upgraded and gleaming with potential. Whether you are scripting a sci-fi short, decoding academic papers, or wrangling spreadsheets by voice, this week's launches weren't just upgrades. They were a message the future is moving faster than we think. And if this was just 1 week, buckle up. Next week's sprint might just spend time.